Welcome to the island of misery. This way to Wall Street, where all your hopes and dreams will be dashed. Follow me! People of Wall Street, I'm here to serve and protect you. Up from the depths I come. Let me lead you. Let's grab this bull by its tail, mount it, and ride it with me into the future! Hear me, oh financial district, and people in that building beware! This is a Krull to arms! Follow me to glory!
What is up, people? One day left for the year to be up, and what a fantastic year it was. Crazy for me to actually be saying that and not being sarcastic at all, even though everything comes out of my mouth. People assume that I'm being sarcastic. Oh, is that your shtick? Is that shtick? Is this I don't tell? Is this real or is this shtick? Oh, it's not a stick, a shtick. If I hear that word shtick one more time, I'm gonna headbutt you right in the face. You know who I'm talking about. But today on the program, we're gonna talk about a few important things. What we are gonna be looking for, and it's time to make predictions. Predictions! Everyone's gonna talk about how their year went. My year was pretty good. It concluded with one of the best Decembers I've ever had. Not monetarily, but we are now on the 18th day of profitability in a row. Trading, options, and everything across the board. Since we brought our size down and became ultra disciplined, something has completely changed. I think I have to credit the chat room. The more people in the chat room, the better. So I need 25 people, 30 people minimum in the chat room every day. It seems like I never lose money when there's at least 25, 30 people in the chat room, which is a benefit for you, it's a benefit for me, it's a benefit for everybody. But secondarily, we're going to talk about Captain Morgan Spice Rum. That's our drink for today. Tomorrow we're going to switch back to Patron Silver. But for today, we need to learn. I like rum, but I like rum straight. I don't like fruit drinks. I like tequila, but I despise margaritas. Gross to me. I'll drink vodka straight, but I don't like pineapple juice or orange juice with my vodka. I like alcohol for what it is. It's a drink that you should be able to drink straight and enjoy it. Warm, cold, whatever the case. So I'd like to learn more about the rum. So we had a party at the Krull house not too long ago, and I bought way too much rum. So now I'm trying to get rid of some of this rum by just drinking it. So if you have any drink choices, and I don't like these fruity beverages, I don't like that kind of stuff, but if you have something that maybe that you like to drink rum with.
Mix it with ginger ale, it says over here. It's pretty good.
And can you drink this stuff straight?
Yeah.
I'll drink anything straight. But somebody told me, why would you drink it straight? I'm like, why not?
Look at all these recipes.
Big fan of the rum. I like Bacardi. Have had Bacardis, whatever. More of a vodka drink, obviously. But let's learn something together, and let's learn about rum drinks today. And nothing too complicated, because I just want to be able to pour maybe one thing with it. And I guess we could drink it with ginger ale, but I don't like ginger ale.
You don't like
Does
ginger
your
ale?
stomach hurt?
It's called
Goo.
It's called a Captain.
The only time I drink ginger ale is when my grandmother tells me that I should drink it because my stomach hurts. I don't get it. I don't understand that
We
concept.
can make a beer invite if we get some beer.
Beer with Captain Morgan's?
Oh, yeah.
It's interesting. This is what we do at the end of the year. But this was an
You
extraordinary...
just mix it with regular soda. Captain and soda.
Captain and Coke, right?
Well, Captain and Club Soda. We
Captain-
got some Club Soda.
Oh, club soda?
Yeah.
That could be all right.
Yeah.
Or just water or ice.
You can mix it with cream soda and pineapple juice. Oh.
What's that called?
Oh no, you mix it with pineapple juice and triple sec. It's called a Captain Morgan cream soda.
Not bad.
Ah.
They put what's Jack and Coke, I know. Did they do Jack? Did they do Captain and Coke? Is that a drink?
Captain and Cola. Here
Oh,
you go.
there you go.
Yeah, with a lime wedge. Maybe we'll get some Coca-Cola.
How come Pepsi always gets slighted in all these drinks? You know, it's never It's never something in Pepsi.
Pepsi's communist.
Is it?
Yeah.
Those bastards. I'm a
It's
Pepsi
Italian.
drinker. Too sweet for the
I
alcohol.
don't drink Italian soda.
It's racist. Oh, yeah, speaking of racism, we're going to get really racist. If you're into racist humor, Fridays, we have our ladies come on, and after 1 o'clock, between 1 o'clock and 1:15, that's our racist 15 minutes. So if you're into racist humor, you want to make fun of the Jews, what's on schedule this week? Who are we making fun of?
We're fun of Obama.
Oh, it's all Obama for 15 minutes. You could tell, you know what kind of jokes those are going to be.
Even though we love him, we're going to make fun of him.
I love Obama. Obama, 4 more years. You guys getting ready for that, right? Because no matter who the Republicans throw out there. And you know Palin's going to come riding along on her horse to try to save the Republican Party. So if it comes down to Palin and Obama, who are you going to vote for? Gingrich and Obama, who are you going to vote for? Really? Ron Paul and Obama? Maybe you'll vote for Ron Paul, but still.
Could you really have a president named Newt?
Newt? You're not going to have a Mormon as president? You know who should run for president? Tim Tebow or Jon Stewart. Or me. I'm going to make my charge. I'll make my charge for a good month or so. I'm going to...
Jon Stewart makes much more money not being...
We need a new platform. The alcoholic platform. Something like that.
Red states.
But
red states.
Since we became this ultra disciplined trader, it's odd to be making money every day. And I got mocked yesterday. Someone on the outside, one of our guys, doesn't come into our own chat room, which is absurd. And he's like, "So how'd you do today?" I'm like, "Oh, made a little bit of money." I'm like, "How'd you do?" He's like, "Oh, I lost a little bit. This is the worst month I've had in a long time." I'm like, "It's funny. This is one of the best months I've had." He's like, "Well, not just that you're making calls in your chat room. Did you actually do anything?" I'm like, "Yeah, actually did do some. On a small scale, I make a little bit of money every day, and at the end of the month, it actually adds up. Also known as a job." Since stopped trying to buy, instead of buying 27,000 shares of Hartford Financial and sitting under my desk praying and then throwing up when it went to zero, I'll just make $250, $300 a day and try to scrape it together, not lose any money, cut the losses short, let the winners run. Well, in this market lately, just as soon as you get your winner, you just take the money. So that's why I guess I'm doing all right, because my style of trading is I see the money, I take the money, and lately that has been the way to go. See the money, take the money, and now the stocks are not even going anywhere after I get out, which is ridiculous. Soon we're going to have a big move sometime in January. And then, of course, we might be able to start breaking up or down from one direction. If the Qs ever break below 50, we're headed down. If the Qs ever go above 59 and change, we're going to probably go higher. But right now, sideways is the way to go. Sell your premiums, even though they took all the premiums out of the market. Generally, when the VIX gets smaller and all the option prices become cheaper, we have a move upwards. That's just what normally happens. But what normally happens is we have up days every day this week, and we had a slight down day yesterday. Or not slight, but things are weird this year. Nobody wants to, and the funny thing is I don't watch as much TV as I used to. Financial television, that is. I'll watch 9 hours of television the other day. I watched JFK into On the Waterfront, and then almost got involved in some other third movie. I was like, I can't sit on the couch anymore. But JFK into On the Waterfront. 2 great movies, by the way. Butt-bit. Yeah, so come hang out with us, and I'm done inviting all the haters. We got a few guys that responded again. I want the guys that respond with the the guys that talk about how, you're the shittiest trader. You make traders look like idiots with these stupid ass videos. Just looking at what you were talking about. If you just got back into the trade right after you said you got out, instead of bitching and moaning, you could have made all this money. It's true. You're not a hater, but if you're so smart, come onto the chat room and let's see what you got, guy. Come on. Bring it. Bring it. Butt-bit. All right. So tomorrow we have alcohol, some nice women coming in, and 15 minutes of hardcore racism. All right?
Maybe some nudity.
Slight nudity. softcore porn, hardcore racism, and alcohol.
Ah.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. It all goes on live in the Hit the Bid chat room with 3 webcams now we have set up. 3 webcams to catch every angle all the time. And Krull bucks so you could throw them at the ladies. That's behind you. All right. Thanks for being here.
Rain.
We'll make a video. And our friend Joe, the analyst, is coming up today. He will be on today. Oh, and also, predictions for gold, right? And I was going to talk about how everybody's going to make their predictions. Here, if I'm going to make a prediction for 2012, yes. That's my prediction for 2012. And Google will go to 1,200, split 8 for 1, and we're all going to be rich. Zag, Z-A-G-G, 0. Cena, 90% of the Chinese stocks, 0. Let's see. Diamond Foods, recovery. I don't know. I got to go out on the limb. If you're going to make predictions, you might as well go completely balls to the wall. So I'll just stick with my Google call. 1,200, 8 for 1 split sometime in November. And then we rally to the end of the year, and Google winds up split adjusted about 1,500 by the end of the year. That's right. 900 points higher from where it is today. And the entire market goes nowhere except for Google. How's that? Because predictions are worthless. Predictions are worth almost as much as what Zag stock is going to be in the next few weeks, because that one's going to 0. See, I'm making a prediction here, but you know what? I'm not trading Zag. I can care less about it. It just looks like a depreciating asset. It's one of those stocks. But again, these videos making predictions on them are ridiculous because in about 20 minutes, we'll be trading some name that we don't even know that we're going to be trading. We'll make some money on it, and we'll be done with it. So, snip your NASCrack, and I'll see you in the room.